Former Free State Agriculture Department head Peter Thabethe will be back on the stand at the state capture inquiry today. It's hoped he will give some clarity on the failed Estina dairy farm project. Ian says Michael Apple has more.
Former Free State Agriculture Head of Department Peter Thabethe, whose name has come up several times in the testimony from other witnesses on the Estina project, finally took to the stand yesterday. As HOD, he was the accounting officer at the time of the failed Gupta-linked dairy project that was meant to empower emerging black farmers in the Eastern Free State. In 2012, he travelled to India to visit a company called Paras. He claims after doing some desktop research, he determined that Paras, one of the world's biggest dairy producers, has the business model that they want to employ in the Free State. Problem is, they're not the biggest and not by a long shot. In 2012, they were the 18th biggest in the world. Also, the majority of its milk comes from buffaloes, not cattle. Another problem is that Ashok Narayan, advisor to then Free State Premier Ace Magashule, travels with him at taxpayer expense to India. His presence is strange. Narayan is an ICT advisor, not a dairy expert by any stretch of the imagination. Thabethe explained this away, saying that he was there for protocol reasons. It's fair to say that a lot of the answers given to the chairperson and evidence leader left them with just more questions. He'll be returning to the witness stand this morning, and the evidence leaders expect to finish with his testimony by lunchtime. Michael Apple, Johannesburg.